United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 196, Use of Technologies, or Introduction of Alien or New Species. 1. States shall take all measures necessary to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment resulting from the use of technologies under their jurisdiction or control, or the intentional or accidental introduction of species, alien or new, to a particular part of the marine environment, which may cause significant and harmful changes thereto. 2. This article does not affect the application of this convention regarding the prevention, reduction and control of pollution of the marine environment.